Okay, for what values of x is it true that the sine of x minus x is less than 0.1? Well, let's go ahead and graph that on Desmos. So we're first going to put in the function sine of x minus x and the absolute value of that. So we're going to put the absolute value, put in the sine of x minus x. So we can see what's happening with this graph. Okay, now we want to be able to graph y is equal to 0.1 because that's going to give us a horizontal line at 0.1. So y is equal to 0.1. Well, we can see that it's a little further down here. So what we want to do is maybe change the window for the y value to just be a little bit sort of above this 0.1. So maybe we'll go to, for the y value, let's go to 0.5 or maybe 0.05. Let's do 0.5. Okay, so what we're looking at here is now this is the graph. Now we want to know where is this function sine of x minus x, which is less than 0.1. Well, this is the line, right? Anything above that is going to be greater than 0.1. Anything below that is going to be less than 0.1. So we can see here that from here and here, anything below that is between negative 0.85 to positive 0.85, where it's below that graph. So here we see that from the graphs, and let's go ahead, let me copy this in here. Okay, so we see that from the graphs of y is equal to the absolute value of sine x minus x and y is equal to 0.1, that there are two solutions to the equation, the absolute value of sine x minus x, which is equal to 0.1. We can see here that one solution is negative 0.85 and the other solution is 0.85, and that's where the lines intersect. Now the condition tells us that the absolute value of sine of x minus x must be less than 0.1 holds for any x lying between those two values. And that is that x is going to be in between negative 0.85 and positive 0.85.